go. Hey everybody, hope you're having an amazing day. It's Prime Eats and we just got over here in entrance. We're at the entrance, eastern province of Sydney, Australia, and we're gonna try some good food. One of the viewers, he told me that they recommended this place. He said the food here was good. You can't miss it. It's just a little hole in the wall, the local hidden gem that you absolutely cannot miss. Like, you need to come here in Sydney, Australia for this food, because I think it's like moose balls, they have ice cream, they have everything. They have anyways, we just got here. Let's go inside. I'm hungry and let's head on in. This is Jason, this is Billy behind the camera. We're at IKEA with some meatball drink. Lingonberry flavor. Wow, it's incredible. The lingonberry flavor, really. The salt, sugar. I think carbonation is like a little bubbly. Like, it's like a little milk moustache, but it's like fizzing. It's just a delight. It's just a delight, and just.
You fucked it up, Jason. You have to go in for. I gotta go in for another sip.
The best part is they have free refills. They're so friendly. This is the best place. You just have the family atmosphere. It's so incredible here. And don't forget to, a lot of people watch my videos and they don't actually realize that they're not actually subscribed. So I just want all of you to check that. Hit the red icon down there below the video and just hit the bell. It's going for a meatball. Alright, I gotta get a bit of everything in there. Now I get a bit more in there. That's a one biter. Wow. Is that made of mousse? I think this is actually not made of mousse. Ying, is that made of mousse? So you have the gravy and the meat and the ball, and you also have this. I don't know what this is. I think it's maybe some type of cream. Yeah, I think that's some type of cream. And it's just the sweetness from the cream and the meatball flavor of this mousse pieces mixed with the sweetness of this how do you pronounce it? Lingonberry jam. It's just incredible. Wow. Wow. It doesn't stop. It just keeps getting better. And we have 15 of them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. No, wait, I lost count. 1, 2, 3. Actually, no, it's. If you're a smart person, you count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Wait, we're missing a meatball. What the hell? Oh, they're so friendly here, anyways. I'm gonna get my drink refill. So many options. Raspberry, water, lingonberry, lemon, elderflower, okay, cola. We got cola. Oh, that's cola again. That's twice. There's 2 colas, and pear. Let's go for a classic. Lemon. This is pretty good. There's not enough carbonation, I think. All right, let's go back and try it out. I got some on my knuckle here. That was insane. Right. Bottoms up. That's a good lemon. I thought this was Sprite. It sort of tastes like Sprite, but there's something that makes it different. I can't put my eye on it. Wow. Oh, that's insane. It goes so perfectly well with the meatball. Let's go. I think this is maybe some kefir lime leaves. Alright, let's go in. And you gotta have that. You gotta have that cream with the brown sauce, the caramel sauce. Who knew something so sweet could go with this type of bowl? Now that is a loaded one. Take a close up. Does it look like I'm eating it? That's crazy. Alright. Enough of the jokes this time. I'm actually gonna eat it. It's that same meatball that I had 2 times. It's the same one. Wow, that is incredible. It's amazingly how consistent they get the flavor between meatball to meatball. Because, see, this meatball is like a a chicken nugget shape, while this one is more like a pork nugget shape. But like the flavor between them, it's not like chicken and pork. It's like it's both mousse meatball. It's incredible. The consistency of flavors between every meatball is just not something that every restaurant can do, you know? And they were so friendly here. They were like, oh yeah, just go over on the left and grab a tray. And that's exactly what I did, except I forgot the tray. A little bit of sourness really hits you right up your navel canals, and it just that was Prime Eats coming at you live on YouTube. Wow, that was a great meal. I'm stuffed. Wash it down with some. This is elderflower. And wow, just look at that. Did you get the shot? Did you get the shot? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, definitely. Hope you had an amazing day. Don't forget to like, put in a comment, and subscribe to Prime Eats. Going in for another bite. Oh, there's none left. That's a shame, because they're so addictive. Once you have one, you just want to have like another one. It's just an endless cycle of IKEA meatballs, you know? Oh wow, that's insane.